Is Amish furniture really handcrafted by the Amish? I see why you might question this about furniture, especially when it's being sold online. But here is the truth behind DutchCrafters Amish furniture. At DutchCrafters, we work with dozens of Amish and conservative Mennonite wood shops located in the Amish hubs of Indiana, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. In our decades of work, we've been blessed to meet many woodworkers and spend time in their shops. This allows us to curate a diverse collection of furniture with a variety of styles, features, and price points, all crafted with outstanding quality construction. And all of these wood shops are family-owned and operated. However, like any religious group or community, there is some variation in beliefs, customs, and rules throughout the American Amish community. And these variations influence the practices within Amish wood shops. This means you may see things in these wood shops that you don't think fit the long-held vision of Amish carpentry. Nearly all of our shops now use electricity in the workplace. They're often off the grid and run on generators. The bishops of the Indiana region of the Amish Church tend to be more progressive, allowing many of our Indiana shops to use more electronics and machinery than those in Pennsylvania. And some shops even employ a few non-Amish workers. Our Amish wood shops keep furniture quality at the forefront of their business model. No matter what tools they use, these are genuine Amish woodworkers carrying on a family tradition and creating furniture with passion, care, and commitment. You'll tell the difference between authentic Amish furniture and cheap imports. Everything is inspected and handled by experienced woodworkers throughout the process. Advancing technology only helps improve features like tight-fitting joints and stylish designs without sacrificing the integrity of the product. Here at DutchCrafters, we're not Amish people running the website and helping you to custom order the products. However, our owner, Jim, was raised in the northern Indiana community of his Amish ancestors and continues to lead with Mennonite values of integrity and authenticity. Our mission is to partner with the Amish to bring their furniture to everyone seeking their quality workmanship. We remain in daily contact with our wood shops to maintain a strong, close relationship with the owners and their families. So yes, DutchCrafters furniture is Amish made and built to last. We feel blessed to bring you authentic Amish furniture that you can treasure and appreciate for decades to come. Please take a look around DutchCrafters.com and see for yourself. I'm Beth Rice for DutchCrafters. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Click the link to shop the largest collection of Amish furniture online at DutchCrafters.com. We'll see you soon.